हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन स्पीड 80 वर्ड पर मिनट। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट।
Was not made part of the regular fact finding inquiry but was only the basis for the preliminary inquiry held by the ICC to ascertain whether prima facie any case was made out for conducting regular detailed inquiry. Stop. After having gone through the Act of 2013 and the rule framed thereunder and the handbook issued by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, this court is of the view that it is not necessary that a copy of the complaint detailing instances of harassment be brought on record. Stop. It was sufficient that was given respondent number 1 was given a copy of the detailed complaint made on 5th January 2016 and this indeed was given to respondent as is evident from the reply that has been submitted by the respondent number 1 to the same, which has been filed by the respondent petitioner himself as annexure 3 at page 45 to 59 of the writ petition. Stop. The rules of natural justice on which the Honorable Single Judge has laid great emphasis in the judgment impugned are not inflexible and immutable principles that have to be mandatorily followed in each case. Stop. In Union of India and another versus Tulsi Ram Patel 1985 Supreme Court cases 398 the Supreme Court has observed as follows. Stop. Shri Jain learned counsel for the petitioner referring to the averments taken in the writ petition has submitted that Shri Ghulam Farid had only submitted his resignation on 30th July 1979. Stop. On the same date itself, Mr. Ghulam Farid is stated to have submitted a letter holding out that his resignation be not acted upon till 15 January 1981. Stop. He submits that the resignation was ultimately accepted by the management on 27 January 1981. Stop. Consequent to Shri Ghulam Farid not exercising any other option prior to 15 January 1981, it is his submission that the absorption of the petitioner came into effect with the direction issued by the District Inspector of Schools on 7 January 1985. Stop. This order makes specific reference to the provisions of Section 21B, which had come to be inserted in the 1982 Act initially by way of UP Ordinance number 13 of 1985, which stood replaced by the amending act itself. Stop. Shri Jain submits that no facts were concealed from the district inspector of schools. Stop. In any view of the matter, it is his submission that no reasons have been assigned to establish the charge of concealment of a material fact by the management. Stop.